What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. It's the same day, different video. That's why I got on the same daggone shirt. Today's video, man, we need to talk first before we get into the video. And if you're new to the channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all taking a few minutes, man, to watch my video. If you can, if you got the time, man, watch the whole video. It helps my video, man, to get the watch time and circulate through YouTube. So definitely if you hit the like button. Even if you don't like it, man, just hit the like button. Don't cost you nothing. Don't cost to subscribe to the channel. You might see a video you want to look at, man. So today's video, man, I know we talk about buying and selling cars all the time. Me trading this in, selling it, just how the market is right now. But in order to buy a car, man, you got to have good credit. The credit got to be right. I mean, you can buy a car with bad credit, but the interest rate going to kick your butt. So what I want y'all to do, man, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Sign up for the Chime card. And I've been talking about this Chime card for a while, especially if you've been following me for a while. Y'all know I be talking about the Chime card all the time. So again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can sign up for the Chime card. It's just like having a credit card. You control your balance. It does not report utilization, because y'all know when you got a credit card and when you use it up, if you max it out, that's bad for your credit. But with the Chime card, y'all, they do not report your utilization, so you can use it just as much as you want, and you control the amount on the card, so it's always going to report positive on your credit. Now, right now they're giving away $100, man. You basically can get $100 for signing up. Now, for more details, click on the link, read the information, man, and sign up for the Chime card. I'm telling you, it helped my credit. I increased my score, I think it was even from 30 to 40 points just by signing up with Chime. And it just keep hitting my credit report as positive, positive, positive. So I'm telling y'all, even if you got good credit, sign up for the Chime card. I'm telling y'all that because I want y'all to have good credit. A lot of y'all are young and you really don't know too much about credit. That's why I do a lot of videos talking about credit. So sign up for the Chime card. But today's video, man, we're gonna talk about gap insurance. A lot of y'all may be new to buying cars. You might not know about gap insurance. The thing about gap insurance, man, if your car, let's say you total lost your car, just like when my daughter just got in that accident and the car was total loss. Now, I had gap insurance on that car. The car definitely wasn't worth what I owed on that car. You know what I'm saying? Because it was an older car. When I got the car, I took out a little loan on it. The payments wasn't nothing. It was like some cheap amount a month. But when the car was total loss, it did have a balance. Another thing that happened to help with the amount the car was worth is because of the market right now, the used car market. So that car was worth way more than it was worth, 6 months ago. So that also helped. But the thing about gap insurance, because the car had a balance on it, the gap insurance paid the difference. And it wasn't nothing but I think was like $150. And that was just because that car just really wasn't worth that much. So the balance wasn't real high. I didn't owe a whole lot on the car, so the balance wasn't real high. But let's say, for instance, I total lost this car today. I think I owed about $46,000 on this car. If the market wasn't the way it is right now, this car probably only worth about $40. So the gap insurance would pay that $6,000 difference. I wouldn't have to come out of my pocket because I had the gap insurance. So I don't care what nobody tell you, get the gap insurance. Unless you put a large down payment on your car, and if the car was total loss, the balance difference wouldn't be high, because that's gonna happen too. That's how you can avoid having to buy gap insurance. By putting a large down payment down on the car to bring down the total balance of the car, and you wouldn't need gap insurance, because even if it was total loss, the difference in what it's worth and what you owe, it wouldn't be a big gap right there. So gap insurance is very important, guys. Don't let nobody tell you you don't need gap insurance, because trust me, the dealership will not mention gap insurance if it's gonna make your payments higher than what you want to pay. They won't mention the gap insurance because they just want you to agree to the payment, especially if you get financing through the dealership. They just want you to agree to the payment, so they won't even mention the gap insurance, because the gap insurance may raise your monthly payment a few dollars. But even if it does, it's worth it in the long run, because you don't want to drive off the lot in a $60,000 car, get in an accident 2 days later, and the car only worth $40,000 and you don't have gap insurance. So I'm not gonna make this video real long, guys. That's basically what I want to talk about, because they tried to pull that over on me and my daughter when she went and got her new truck. The only reason why we didn't use the finance we already had is because they offered her 0% finance. And the credit union didn't have 0% because she got good credit. So we would have been fools to not take the 0% finance. And they asked us, hey, do you want the gap insurance? Like, heck yeah, I wanted the gap insurance, because she bought a 2022. The car wasn't even registered. The car wasn't even coming up in the insurance quote because the truck was so new. Do not leave the dealership, or even if you have your own financing, most credit unions offer gap insurance. So make sure you get your gap insurance. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like this. All my videos are not going to be me doing burnouts. Try to do videos that's helpful to you guys. You know what I'm saying? Not just me doing burnouts and, you know, racing and stuff like that, because I don't really do that much racing anyway. If you're new to my channel, I'm not going to do any kind of outrageous, irresponsible stuff on my channel. Now, most of y'all might already know about gap insurance, but you'll be surprised. I get a lot of questions about it. And another thing, guys, when I do videos, I'm answering questions that I get. I'm not just thinking of stuff just to do a video. I try to do videos that can help people, because a lot of people are new to the car buying thing. I know a lot of us are older cats, and we like, that's simple stuff. Most people don't know about this stuff, guys. I'm trying to tell you. I was the same way. I just thought everybody knew about gap insurance. Everybody knows about 0% finance. Everybody know this, everybody know that. Most people don't. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just how it is. There's a lot of guys that are new to buying cars. Some people never bought a car before. Some people are first-time car buyers, just like you got people that are first-time home buyers. It's always first-time everything. So I try to do videos that can help people out, not just so y'all can just sit here and watch me. That's not what my channel is about. My channel is about educating people. I don't know everything, but the things that I do know, I'm gonna make sure my supporters know. Bottom line. And if you guys got anything you want me to talk about, again, I'm not an expert in everything. Leave it in the comments, man. Leave your comments. I'll do my best. I'll do some research, and I'll do a video about it. Anything you feel that the younger cats that's coming up behind us need to know, put it in the comments, man. And I'll definitely try to do a video about it. So hit the like button. I've already been talking too long. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Get your gap insurance. Sign up for the Chime card. You do those things, man, you'll be all right. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.